loves. It's your girl where Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, and they mom and them because we literally over here. And without further ado, y'all, we're doing a giveaway today. I don't know if y'all have been seeing my giveaways. I think they lightweight been being some bangers, if I shall say myself. But yeah, make sure y'all enter in these giveaways. I ain't letting y'all know when they gonna be here, what date they gonna be here. Who knows? They might be the same date. Who knows? But I'm doing a giveaway for one lucky family member. For this giveaway, you want to make sure you follow the rules. I'm going to make sure I'm checking. Let's see. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. If you do have social media, make sure you follow me on TikTok and on IG. Everything is the same name amongst TikTok, IG, and YouTube. If you don't have social media, that's fine. You could still enter. Still enter. And the word for this one is going to be, I'm not sure yet. Let me think. I'll play it by ear. We're going to get off into this unboxing. So this is definitely from my collection. If you don't get down with the get down, you can exit stage left or stage right if you're not down with the dupe nation. So this giveaway is going to be for a lucky winner. So you get this. I've only probably wore this like twice or three times, if that. Hold on, let me bring this up some. This was bent a little bit. All you gotta do is unbend it. But this is the LV Palm Springs Mini. You get this, and the inside it has the stuffer bubble. It also has both of the straps that you can use to wear it what they call it, I forgot how they say it, but different ways. You can either do it as like a book bag, or you can wear it any type of way you want to, for real. Wear crisscross applesauce. Why am I blanking out? You know what I mean. So both straps are inside. You'll get this little teddy bear, little thingamajigger, little purse, little you don't know what I mean. It's the little purse charm. So that's that. And then also included, brand new, it's still in the pack, you're going to get one of the Christian Dior lip oil dupes from Temu. You're also going to get, everything is brand new other than, this is from my collection, but everything else is brand new. So you're going to get a charger, multi-use charger, so it has like different type of charger endings that you can use to charge. Headphones, an MP3 player. You're going to get 128 gigabytes. Micro SD card for the MP3 player, and also 128 megabyte, which is smaller than a gigabyte. Yeah, either way, y'all get my drift. And then also this jump drive that has where you can actually put the micro SD cards in there, plug it up to your computer so you can add songs and remove songs off of there. So when you get all of this stuff, there's no songs on here. You got to put your own songs on there. And then last, you're going to get this LV bracelet. I purchased this and never wore it because my arm is just chunky and it's just too fat. So yes, it's the LV bracelet. It has LV right here. It says LV or Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy in the inside. So this is what's all included, and it's gonna be hashtag Louis. That's LOUIE, hashtag Louis. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Follow all of the social media, which is TikTok and Instagram if you have it. If not, that's okay. And make sure in the comments you put hashtag Louis. That's LOUIE. I'm keeping these open until I feel like everybody had a chance to enter, that I'm gonna close them down, and then announce the winners one by one. So in the meantime, just make sure you follow the instructions. I will definitely be checking. And may the best family member win. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.